The next component that I want to discuss is security groups or firewall rules. And there are two types of security groups. One is the network security group or NSG, which is used to create firewall rules to allow or deny incoming traffic and outgoing traffic from other Azure services or from other resources. Now, let's say you have the virtual network. We create the virtual network, and inside a virtual network, we create either public subnet or private subnet. Then we launch resources like virtual machines inside of these subnets. And network security group is applied at the resource level or at the subnet level. So you can create a network security group and attach it to either a VM or to a subnet. As it is a firewall rule to allow or deny incoming and outgoing traffic, you can mention what traffic you want to allow and what traffic you want to deny to and from this public subnet or the Azure resource, in this case, which is virtual machine. Then you have application security group. It has nothing to do with firewall rules. The purpose of application security group is to group multiple VMs together logically so that the network security groups or NSG rules can be applied on them. Let's say I have this multiple VMs which are launched inside of a subnet. It can be a public subnet or a private subnet. And we apply the application security group on all of these VMs. So we create this application security group and then we add the VMs here. Then we attach the network security group to the application security group. So what would happen now is that all the VMs belonging to this application security group will be following the traffic rules that have been defined in the network security group. If we do not use application security group and if we attach the NSG to the subnet, all the VMs in that subnet would follow the network filtering rule defined in the NSG. But if you want a different set of rule for a different set of VMs, then you can use application security group. First, let us go ahead and create a network security group and attach it to a subnet. I do not want to create any application security group because we will not be using application skill sets, etc. Because this course is not for application development but data engineering. That's why I'll be creating a network security group and attach it to public subnet and private subnet both.